Good evening to all. Myself, Arudhya Shankar. Today we'll discuss about how to create the levels in our Revit, then how to mark the grid lines, and how to create the RCC foundations. Okay, today we'll discuss about the three things: how to create the levels for your RCC structure, grid lines, and then foundation marking. Okay, then directly go for your models, then create new option. I change into structural template. Today we'll discuss about the structural template. I simply click this OK option. Once you click this structural template, then today we'll discuss about the structural template. The first step, you go to software, simply click this manage, go to project units, you change the area in area, square feet, then you go to length also feet, then also length also you change the feet. I need a decimal and all the things. Unit is a feet. You simply change this all the things is a first step for your RCC structure forming. The second step is a level setting. Level setting is an important step for your RCC structure. Okay, how to set the levels for your RCC area? The simple, the simply go to project browser. This is our project browser. Then go to elevation. Then go to elevation. Click this elevation. Already this is a mention as a floor tiles level. This is a rooftop level. Okay, mention as a rooftop level. First of all, I simply take my floor level to rooftop level. This is our rooftop level. Go to properties, you change into heights. Okay, simply minimize that. This is our height. Totally, my height is a 12 feet. Okay, totally my height is a 12 feet. This is a meter, so automatically it will be changed. This is our tiles level. This is our slab top level. Then next one, I need the basement. This is a top level tiles top level 2. This is my basement level. You mentioned this name also. Double click this level. Says double click this level. This is our tiles level or any level. Simply mention this. The below level is a basement, then ground level. The basement and ground level are same. How to mention the this our tiles level to basement level is a 3 feet. Then how to mention this? Simply click this create similar pick lines. This is my basement level 4 feet. Simply click this. This is our basement level. Basement level. This is a tiles level. This is a basement starting level as a ground levels. Okay. This is our ground level. Mention as a ground level. Then grade beam provided for below the ground level. My grade beam provided for 1 feet 1.6 1 feet 6 inches, sorry, yeah, 1.6 inches. So convert into feet means 1.5. So okay, zero point 0.5. So I provided this grade beam depth. This is our ground level. This you name also. This is our grade beam depth. Simply double click this. You change the grade beam. Grade beam. Okay. Now it's clear. This is a level 2 creation for your framed structure and all the levels also. This is our tiles level. This is our basement area. The basement starting point is a ground level. Then below the ground is I provided the one grade beam for 1 feet 6 inches. Then directly go for foundation level. Then I click this. Then go to properties. My below the foundation is a 5 feet. Okay, simply click this 5 feet. Pick lines. I go for 5 feet from the ground level. See this. This is our click this foundation level. This automatically it will be created. One. You will be change all the name also, foundation level, the grade beam levels, and then ground levels. All the levels will be created in this area also. Then top level, the top also beam. I will be 1 feet beam will be provided. This is automatically my 1 feet beam. Then roof thickness means you provided the slab, 4-inch slab. I provided the 4-inch slab or 5-inch slab. I provided the 0.75 feet. I mentioned the slab level and all the level also. This is the first thing. You create any RCC structure in this Revit. You mention the levels, the where which is the tiles levels, ground level, then is the basement, beam levels, foundation level, then you mention the foundation depth also, slab height bottom, then beam level also. Now it's clear. You make a one framed structure or architecture structure, the level is the important one. Okay, now it's understand. The level is important one. You know the level is very well. You go for the next step for your Revit framed structure or architecture one. This is the second step, is the main step. Creating on the level is finished. The next step, I create the grid lines. What is meant by grid lines means center to center line for our buildings. Okay, center to center. How to create the center to center lines? You provide the foundation level or any level. This is our foundation level. Go to foundation level. Then I take a 10 by 10 room. 10 by 10 room is wall thickness is 9 inch, 9 inch. Okay, what is the center to center distance? Total 10 feet 9 inches. Okay, this is the concept. The 10 feet room is the 10 by 10 room. The wall thickness is a 9 inch means you take the center to center is a 10 feet 75 inches. 10 feet 9 inches convert into feet 0.75. How to create the grid lines for your area? Go to architecture, go to grid option, click this grid. This is our first grid. Says automatically first grid. Second grid 10 feet 0.75 9 inches. Go to pick line option. You mention this distance 10.75. Simply mention this 10.75. Click this. This is the Z direction. Then next direction is the X direction. Simply click this grid. Go to line option. Simply click this one grid. Then go to pick line same distance. Click this. Is simply created the 10 feet 75. The one thing, one is the alphabetical, another one is a numerical for the grid creation. This is a 1 2, I change into A and B. Simply double click this, fix this A. This is the double click this, fix this B. This is the main thing. The third step, you creating the grid and only center line marking. Then you mention this. One is a 1 2, another one is a alphabetical order wise. Okay. The opposite adjacents are, one is a A B C D, another one is a 1 2 3. The next step, you check the dimensions. Go to annotate, go to aligned option. Then changes the wall fit. Check this dimension is 10 feet, 0.75 feet. This is also 10 feet, 0.75 feet. Now it's clear. The third step is over. I create the center to center distance for our grid. Then check the dimensions also. The next one, how to form the RCC structure. Then you go for fix the foundation. Isolated spread footing. Okay, how to fix the isolated spread footing? You go for structural template. The architecture, steel, precast, all the things are there. You go to structural template. You go for isolated. I simply click this isolated. Then you change the footing size also. This is a large size is there. I need change the footing size. Go to type of type properties. This is my footing foundation thickness. This is 6 inch converted into feet 0.5. This is my footing thickness 2 feet by 2 feet. Okay, I simply enter 2 feet by 2 feet. Then click OK. See this automatically. Once you created the grid line, automatically the center point will be created. See this, I simply fix this my foundation. Then how to mention this distance from center point and all the things? Simple one. Go to annotate, go to aligned option. Then fix this distance 2 feet. This also fix this 2 feet. Then how to fix this center distance? This is center point. This is our center point is a 1 feet. This foundation edge to this foundation edge is simply mark this. This foundation, say this foundation edge to this foundation edge is a 8.75 feet. This is the creation of your foundation. This is the top view. I will be create the 2 by 2 foundation. This is a 1 feet center line from 1 feet. This center line also 1 feet. You mention this type of diagram for your foundation. In this length and breadth, how to mention the height? You go for elevation view. See this automatic elevation. Go to aligned view. See this automatically. You created the 0.5. See this 6 inch thickness. The thickness only will form in this elevation. Then a length also. See this length. See this simply 2 feet by 0.5 inches thickness for your foundation. In this grid diagram, simply go for foundation level. My center to center 10 by 10 room is a center to center distance 10.75. Then my foundation size is a 2 by 2. Then center to center of the column, all the dimension will be mentioned. You mention the textures, reinforcement diagram, all the things also. Okay, fine. The next, I hope you understand how to use the levels and then grid lines and all the things. Now itself, I complete this section. The next video, how to fix the columns, beams, slabs, and all the things also in this Revit. Okay, fine. Now I complete this section. Future video will update it soon. Thank you all. Once again, thank you. Please watch and subscribe my channel. Also, please tell the feedback also. Thank you.